Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Mini Cooper Countryman service light. To begin, ensure your vehicle is completely off. Then, press the Start-Stop button one time without pressing the brake pedal. This action will turn on the ignition, but the engine should remain off. This initial step is crucial for accessing the service menu correctly and safely, preparing your car for the next steps. Now, let's get into the service menu. Locate the Trip Odometer Reset button, which is typically found near your speedometer on the dashboard. Press and hold this button for approximately 10 seconds. You will then see various service items appear on the display. Once the first item shows up, you can release the button to proceed to the next important step in the reset process. With the service menu active, briefly press the Trip button to cycle through options such as engine oil or brake fluid. When you find the item you want to reset, hold the Trip button for about 3 seconds until Reset appears. To confirm, hold the button for another 3 seconds. You will see a progress bar indicating the reset is underway. After the reset is complete, the display will confirm with Reset Successful. Once you see this message, turn your ignition completely off. Then, start your engine as usual. The service indicator light should now be off, confirming a successful reset. If you have other service items, simply repeat these steps for each one.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.